Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben. I am from the United States. Today is a new lesson. Today I will help you with simple English. Today we will learn useful words and sentences about cleaning the house. Today's episode is about cleaning the house. I will use easy words and short sentences. I will speak slowly. You can listen and repeat. Cleaning the house is part of daily life. A clean home feels good. A clean home is healthy. We clean for safety. We clean to remove dust. We clean to remove dirt. We clean to organize our things. Today we will learn how to talk about cleaning. We will learn verbs and objects. We will learn short dialogues. We will practice speaking. Repeat after me when I say repeat. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you said. First, some simple cleaning words. Broom. Use a broom to sweep the floor. Mop. Use a mop to clean a wet floor. Vacuum. Use a vacuum to clean carpets. Dust cloth. Use a dust cloth to remove dust. Sponge. Use a sponge to wash dishes. Dish soap. Use dish soap for plates and cups. Trash bag. Use a trash bag for garbage. Laundry basket. Use a laundry basket for clothes. Detergent. Use detergent for washing clothes. Iron. Use an iron to remove wrinkles. Bucket. Use a bucket for water. Gloves. Use gloves to protect your hands. Now I will show simple sentences with these words. I sweep the floor. I am sweeping the floor. I mop the floor. I am mopping the floor. I vacuum the carpet. I am vacuuming the carpet. I dust the shelf. I am dusting the shelf. I wash the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I take out the trash. I am taking out the trash. I do the laundry. I am doing the laundry. I fold the clothes. I am folding the clothes. I iron the shirt. I am ironing the shirt. I clean the bathroom. I clean the sink. I clean the mirror. I wipe the table. I make the bed. I change the sheets. Repeat after me, I sweep the floor. Repeat. I sweep the floor. Repeat after me, I vacuum the carpet. Repeat. I vacuum the carpet. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that you heard. Now some polite phrases for asking and offering help. Please help me. Can you help me? Thank you for your help. I can help you. Would you like help? Yes, please. No, thank you. I need help with the dishes. I need help with the laundry. Can you take the trash out? Can you sweep the floor? Can you mop the floor? Can you dust the shelf? Can you fold the clothes? Please pass the broom. Please pass the mop. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and then repeat. This is a short monologue. You can say this when you meet someone who helps you clean. You can also use this to practice speaking about your chores. Hello. My name is Maria. I am from Brazil. I live in a small apartment. I like to keep my home clean. Today I will clean the kitchen. First I will wash the dishes. Then I will wipe the table. After that I will sweep the floor. I will mop the floor if it is dirty. I will take out the trash. I will put a new trash bag in the bin. I will also do the laundry. I will wash the clothes by machine. I will dry the clothes on a line. I will fold the clothes and put them in the closet. I feel happy when my home is clean. Clean walls and clean floors make me calm. I like a neat home. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Repeat after me, hello. My name is Maria. Repeat. Hello. My name is Maria. Repeat after me, I like to keep my home clean. Repeat. I like to keep my home clean. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence you want. Now I will give more short dialogues. These are simple. You can say them with a friend. You can practice with a partner. You can also say both parts by yourself. Dialogue 1. A hello. Are you cleaning today? B. Yes. I am cleaning the living room. Do you need help? B. Yes, please. Can you vacuum the carpet? Of course. I will vacuum now. B. Thank you. Repeat after me. Are you cleaning today? Repeat. Are you cleaning today? You can pause the video and repeat this line. Dialogue 2. The sink is full of dishes. B. I will wash the dishes now. I will dry them and put them away. B. Great. That helps a lot. Repeat after me. The sink is full of dishes. Repeat. The sink is full of dishes. Dialogue 3. The trash is heavy. B. I will take it out. Please bring a new trash bag. B. I will bring it. Repeat after me. The trash is heavy. Repeat. The trash is heavy. Now some step-by-step routines. These are useful for a cleaning plan. They are simple and short. You can make a plan for one room. Try it with me. Cleaning the kitchen plan. Step 1. Clear the table. Step 2. Put away food and dishes. Step 3. Wash the dishes. Step 4. Dry the dishes. Step 5. Wipe the counters. Step 6. Sweep the floor. Step 7. Mop the floor if needed. Step 8. Take out the trash. Repeat after me. Clear the table. Repeat. Clear the table. Cleaning the bedroom plan. Step 1. Pick up clothes from the floor. Step 2. Put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Step 3. Make the bed. Step 4. Dust the nightstand. Step 5. Vacuum or sweep the floor. Step 6. Open the window for fresh air. Repeat after me. Make the bed. Repeat. Make the bed. Cleaning the bathroom plan. Step 1. Put towels in the laundry. Step 2. Clear the sink area. Step 3. Clean the mirror. Step 4. Scrub the sink. Step 5. Clean the toilet. Step 6. Mop the floor. Step 7. Replace the soap if needed. Repeat after me. Clean the mirror. Repeat. Clean the mirror. Now some questions and answers you can use. These help in a house with family. Question. Who will clean the kitchen? Answer. I will clean the kitchen. Question. When will you clean it? Answer. I will clean it in the morning. Question. How often do you clean the bathroom? Answer. I clean the bathroom once a week. Question. Do you like to clean? Answer. Sometimes I like it. Sometimes I do not. Question. Do you have cleaning tools? Answer. Yes. I have a broom and a vacuum and a mop. Repeat after me. Who will clean the kitchen? Repeat. Who will clean the kitchen? Now some grammar tips. These are simple. Use present simple for habits. Use present continuous for actions now. I clean the house on Sundays. This is a habit. I do laundry every Saturday. This is a habit. I am cleaning the kitchen now. This is happening now. She is vacuuming the room now. He is washing the dishes now. They are taking out the trash now. Repeat after me. I clean the house on Sundays. Repeat. I clean the house on Sundays. Now some helpful verbs in base form and in ing form. To sweep. Sweeping. To mop. Mopping. To vacuum. Vacuuming. To dust. Dusting. To wash. Washing. To dry. Drying. To fold. Folding. To iron. Ironing. To scrub. Scrubbing. To clean. Cleaning. To organize. Organizing. To declutter. Decluttering. To take out. Taking out. Repeat after me. I am sweeping the floor. Repeat. I am sweeping the floor. Now some useful adjective words. Clean. Dirty. Dusty. Wet. Dry. Organized. Messy. Heavy. Light. full, empty, fresh, smelly, useful, broken, new, old. Sample sentences. This plate is clean. This floor is dirty. The towel is wet. The basket is full. The trash can is empty. The room is messy. The shelf is dusty. The vacuum is heavy. The mop is wet. The cloth is clean. Repeat after me, the room is messy. Repeat. The room is messy. Now a longer practice. I will say a short cleaning story. Listen and repeat in parts. You can pause the video to repeat any line. Story. On Saturday I wake up early. I make coffee. I look around my house. I see dust on the table. I see clothes on the chair. I see dishes in the sink. I decide to clean. I put on cleaning gloves. I start with the dishes. I wash each plate. I dry each cup. I put the dishes in the cupboard. Next I pick up clothes. I put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. I fold clean clothes and put them away. I make the bed. I dust the shelves. I sweep the floor. I vacuum the carpet. I mop the kitchen floor. I clean the bathroom sink. I take out the trash. I open the window and breathe fresh air. My home looks clean. I feel calm and happy. I sit and drink my coffee. I read a book. I enjoy the clean space. Repeat after me, I start with the dishes. Repeat. I start with the dishes. You can practice describing your own cleaning. Use simple sentences. Try to speak for 1 minute. Here is an example you can copy. I wake up in the morning. I make my bed. I put my clothes in the laundry basket. I wash the dishes after breakfast. I wipe the table and counters. I sweep the kitchen floor. I vacuum the living room. I dust the shelves. I clean the bathroom. I take out the trash. I fold the clothes when they are dry. I enjoy a clean home. Now some tips for practice. Speak slowly. Use short sentences. Repeat often. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Try to say the same sentence 3 times. Change one word each time. For example, say I sweep the floor. Then say I sweep the kitchen floor. Then say I sweep the living room floor. This helps to learn new words. Repeat exercise. Say I wash the dishes. Now say I wash the plates. Now say I wash the cups. Now say I wash the pan. Pause. Repeat each line. Now some safety tips in simple English. Wear gloves if you use chemicals. Keep cleaning products away from children. Read the label on the bottle. Do not mix cleaning products. Open the window when you use strong cleaners. Lift heavy items with 2 hands. Ask for help if an item is too heavy. Repeat after me, wear gloves if you use chemicals. Repeat. Wear gloves if you use chemicals. Now an encouragement section. Learning to talk about cleaning helps daily life. You can speak to family and friends. You can ask for help. You can give help. Use the words and sentences you learned today. Practice every day. Speak for 5 minutes each day. You will improve. Now a short quiz. I will say a sentence. You say true or false. Ready. Sentence 1. A broom is for washing clothes. False. A broom sweeps floors. Sentence 2. You can mop the floor with water. True. You can also add a little soap. Sentence 3. You should mix 2 cleaning products. False. Do not mix products. Sentence 4. You dry clothes in a laundry basket. False. You dry them on a line or a dryer. Repeat after me, a broom sweeps floors. Repeat. A broom sweeps floors. Now some final practice lines you can use every day. Good morning. I will clean the house today. I will wash the dishes now. I will do the laundry after lunch. I will clean the bathroom tonight. Can you help me with the trash? Please pass the broom. Thank you for helping. Repeat after me, good morning. I will clean the house today. Repeat. Good morning. I will clean the house today. You did very well today. Keep practicing. Speak slowly and clearly. Use these sentences in real life. Ask your family to help you practice. You can pause the video and repeat any sentence at any time. Practice often and you will feel more confident. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.